Need some extra cash? Try these easy online tasks. Hey, everyone loves a little extra cash, right? What if I told you that you could make money online without any special skills or experience? It's true. You can do simple tasks from your couch and get paid for it. No, seriously, this isn't one of those scammy ads you see at 3 a.m. These are legit ways to earn some side income. Sound good? Keep reading. Simple tasks, real money, what can you do? Let's dive into the world of online opportunities. Okay, so what are these magical tasks? You might be surprised at how easy they are. Think easy stuff. Data entry is a big one. It's all about inputting information into systems, and it's something you can do from the comfort of your home. Companies need people to input information, and you can do it from anywhere, whether you're at a cafe or in your cozy home office. The choice is yours. Surveys are another popular choice. They are simple and straightforward. Share your opinions on products and services and get paid for your time. It's a great way to make your voice heard and earn some extra cash. Ever wanted to tell companies what you think? Now's your chance. Your feedback can help shape future products and services. You can even test websites and apps for usability. This involves navigating through them and providing feedback on your experience. Click around, find any glitches, and report back. Easy peasy. Your insights can help improve user experiences. And the best part? No experience is required for most of these gigs. You don't need any special skills or prior experience. If you can use a computer and follow instructions, you're in. It's that simple. It's a great way to learn new skills and maybe even discover a new side hustle you love. Who knows, you might find a new passion or career path along the way. Where to find these gigs, websites that pay? In today's digital age, making money online has never been easier, but the real question is, where do you start? All right, you're convinced, but where do you find these online money-making opportunities? The internet is vast and it can be overwhelming to know where to look. Don't worry, I got you covered. Websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, yes, that Amazon, are full of micro-tasks you can complete for payment. These tasks range from data entry to simple surveys, and they can be done in your spare time. Swagbucks is another popular platform that pays you for surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. It's a great way to earn some extra cash while doing things you might already be doing in your free time. And for those who like testing, check out user testing. They pay you to provide feedback on websites and apps. It's a fantastic way to make money while helping companies improve their user experience. These are just a few examples, folks. There are tons of websites out there offering simple tasks for pay. From freelance writing to graphic design, the opportunities are endless. A quick Google search will reveal a whole world of opportunities, so take the plunge, explore these websites, and start earning today. The internet is your oyster, and the possibilities are limitless. Why this works? Flexibility and extra income. So, why is this such a great option? Flexibility. You can work from anywhere, anytime, and set your own hours. Have some free time in the evening, do a few tasks. Waiting for your laundry to finish? Fill out a survey. It's all up to you. This makes it perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking to earn extra cash on their own terms. Plus, who couldn't use some extra cash? Whether you're saving up for a vacation, paying off debt, or just want some spending money, these online tasks can help you reach your financial goals. Tips for success: starting strong and staying motivated. Whether you're just beginning your journey or looking to reignite your passion, these tips will help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Now, before you dive headfirst into the world of online tasks, here are a few tips to help you succeed. These strategies are designed to keep you motivated and ensure you start strong. First, be realistic about your earnings. Understand that while the potential is there, it requires time and effort. You won't get rich quick, but you can earn a decent side income with consistent effort. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep your spirits high. Second, choose tasks that interest you. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore. It'll make the work feel less like work and more like, well, less work. Third, stay organized. An organized workspace can significantly boost your productivity. Keep track of your earnings, deadlines, and any important information. Use tools like planners, sticky notes, or digital project management apps to stay on top of things. And finally, don't give up. Persistence is key. There will be challenges, but overcoming them is part of the journey. It might take some time to find your groove, but with persistence, you can make online tasks a lucrative part of your life. Remember, every small step forward is progress. Stay motivated, stay focused, and success will follow. Ready to dive in? Give it a shot. There you have it, folks. Earning money online doesn't have to be complicated. With simple tasks and a little bit of effort, you can start padding your wallet from the comfort of your own home. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a shot and see how much you can earn.